Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device, SIM, and plan. This avoids wasted steps later. Once done, insert the Airtel 5G SIM or provision the eSIM, update the phone OS and carrier settings, and restart the device to apply changes. Next, open mobile network settings and select 5G or Auto 5G network mode. This tells the radio to prefer 5G when available. Make sure Wi-Fi is off during initial checks, so the phone connects to cellular bands immediately. Once the basic mode is chosen, you move into configuration so 5G registers reliably. Use the Airtel app or dial the activation code to confirm your 5G add-on is provisioned. This step authorizes the SIM for 5G cores. Then check APN and carrier settings. If the phone won't attach, refresh carrier settings or manually enter Airtel APN values. If using eSIM, verify the profile is active and selected. Also, consider enabling 5G SA/N. You finish by validating the connection and handling common failures. First, go to an Airtel 5G coverage spot and run a speed test to confirm throughput. This proves the device is on 5G. If you don't get 5G, toggle airplane mode or reset network settings to force reattach, then reboot. Make sure the SIM is in the correct slot and the plan is active. If issues continue, contact Airtel support with your IMEI and SIM number. That lets them check provisioning and tower registration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.